Good evening, everyone. We are back. So, in the morning, we had a very good day. Not in the morning, in the afternoon, we had a very good day. We had 100% plus ROI. We have doubled our capital. So, today, during the daytime, it was wonderful for us. So now we are back again in our favorite market, that is crypto, and let's see what it holds for us today. So, are you all excited? Do let me know in the comments. So, in 4 hours, we get to see a broader view of the market, what is happening. So, yesterday was a loss making day for us. The market quite not go in our direction. So, we we had to book a loss, but hopefully we will recover that loss and we'll see what can be done today. So presently the price is below the EMA line. uh, we cannot expect much movement today because the volume is very less. You can see there is not much volume being traded in the present market, so we'll just have to wait and watch and see what market holds for us. This is a very strong rejection zone which I was. So this was the candle where we had taken the trade yesterday, and then the market fell sharp. So presently the market is down and it's way below the EMA line. The EMA crossover has not happened, so we'll have to see how we can place our trade today. If we get a trade, that's good. If we do not get a trade, we'll just watch the market. We'll give some time here. We'll spend some time here and then we will be done for the day. But anyway, since we made good profit in the afternoon, we will be happy. We are happy. And in this trade, if we make good profit, definitely that's going to be very special for me, because this YouTube channel I have opened 5 days ago and I have achieved 49 subscribers till date. So if it reaches 50 subscribers in this trade, no matter I win the trade or I lose the trade, it will be a win-win situation for me because my hard work is bringing some results. So let's watch the market. We are back to 5 minutes view, and the market is currently in the downtrend. So we will wait. There was a nice movement from this point, so this can be a nice entry for us because this is a major major demand zone, as you can see. So many times the market has touched this point and then went up. So this was broken at first, then second it was broken, but third time it could not be broken. So this is a good place to take a trade. We will mark this point and we will mark it blue. So now the market is taking rejection from EMA. We will wait for the EMA line to form and then only we will place our trade. Until and unless we get a confirmation from the market, we cannot say what is going to happen. $7. We're at 7. From 3 to 7, we have jumped. $9. $17. Nice. यही चाहिए था. This is what we needed. बट क्या कर सकते हैं, ये रिट्रेस कर रहा है. मार्केट हमको रुला रहा है. This market is making us cry. There is no liquidity, there is no volume. Market is in bullish trend. Market ऊपर आ गया. We are making a loss of $11. $11 और $9 बचा है हमारे स्टॉप लॉस हिट होने में. We have a stop loss of $20. No issues. अगर हिट होता है, हिट होने दो. We will take one more trade today if there is liquidity. Oh fuck. Done. नहीं हुआ, नहीं हुआ. एसएल हिट नहीं हुआ. एसएल हिट नहीं हुआ. डैम. मैं सोचा गया। मैं सोचा अब तो एसएल गया। ओ गॉड, थोड़ी के लिए बच गया यार। बट आई थिंक ये चला जाएगा, ये चला जाएगा, एसएल चला जाएगा। हम एक बार बच गए, हम बार बार बच नहीं सकते। एसएल चला जाएगा। और क्योंकि यहाँ पे अच्छा बाइंग आया है, मैं पहले ही बोला कि मार्केट में एक बुलिश मूव देखने को मिलेगा, बाइंग आ रहा है, गया, डन। सो वी हैव मेड अ लॉस ऑफ $20.50 एंड बैक टू बैक 2 days लॉस। हम मार्केट को लॉस दे चुके हैं और मार्केट अभी यहाँ से ऊपर जा रहा है। मैं जैसे कि मैं बोला ईएमए क्रॉसओवर पे हमको ट्रेड लेना चाहिए, तो हम अभी क्या कर सकते हैं, वी विल वेट फॉर दिस कैंडल। ये जहाँ पे भी क्लोज होगा वहाँ से हम एक अपसाइड का ट्रेड लेंगे और देखेंगे कि हमको हमारा टारगेट मिलता है कि नहीं। क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा खासा बाइंग हुआ है, बाइंग वॉल्यूम गुड, वी हैव गुड बाइंग वॉल्यूम, वी कैन अफोर्ड टू टेक $15 का स्टॉप लॉस मोर। सो नेक्स्ट ट्रेड विल बी $15 stop loss only, and this candle, at the close of this candle, we will take the trade. $15 stop loss or not, either we will hit $15 stop loss or we will have a relatively bigger target. I wish Shubham was here trading, then maybe there was some liquidity. Correctly said, he can help with the liquidity. All he has to place is a buy order. $13. अरे शुभम आ गया क्या? Is Shubham really here? $15, $18, nice. So now we are making money. We are at $18 positive, $19. From EMA, the market is going up. Like I said, EMA works very good in crypto, and we are making $19. Let's see how far we can go. $19 we have made. Suddenly आ गया यार. The moment you spoke about Shubham, उसमें सच में तो ट्रेड नहीं ले लिया, सीधा $4 से $19 पे आ गया भाई. $20. We are making $20. We are at $20 mark. Let's see how much we make tonight. So I have just achieved 50 subscribers on this YouTube channel doing live stream for last 5 days. So that is a good achievement for me. I have made my money double in the afternoon in options. That is an achievement for me. And today, if crypto also gives me a good profit, that will also be a very good achievement for me. This day will be remembered throughout my life. We will wait and see. $24. Come on. $24. The market is in our zone. So we have already recovered the loss of the last trade. $41, 48, 51, $51. Huge buying volume from 24 to 51 directly. Damn. That's how you make money. That's how you print money. $51 in one shot. $54. That's why I say you should wait in a trade. You should wait in a trade. Until and unless you wait, you will not make money. So we will exit at this point. This will be a new target. The moment it crosses, the trade will be auto cut. So we are at around $45, 51, 51, 52, 53, and we're out. $54 profit booked, done for the night. $54 profit booked, done for the night. We have made 100% ROI in the morning. We have achieved 50 subscribers today in our channel in last 5 days, and we have just made $54 in crypto, recovering previous day's loss absolutely amazingly. So that's it for today. We have made good money. I have achieved 50 subscribers, and it was all a very perfect day for me. Correctly said. Absolutely perfect day for me. We have made $53. Sorry, $54. We have made $54 in crypto trading live in front of your eyes. Have a good night.